My name is Vijay Bhaskar. I have total around 13 plus years of experience in SAP. And coming to my expertise in SAP, I have a good experience on FICO and FSCM, treasury and risk management. So even I have started my career as a FICO consultant initially. Then I have moved from FICO to FSCM. So now even I have a good hands-on experience in implementation, support, migration, and rollouts, FICO and as well as FSCM. Okay, you might have seen couple of videos from my channel. So now coming to the coming to the our agenda. Okay, so the course duration would be, I'm expecting the course which I am going to complete within 4 months. I'll give the guarantee about that one. Okay, you can leave about that one. I will take care of that one. But especially from this batch onwards, most of the scenarios will be covered based on the real time basis only. Okay, based on the real time basis only, the scenarios will be covered, because if I would cover the standard system, okay, I am going to explain about the standard configuration along with the, I mean, few are the new expected business scenarios for each and every sub module. Because now if you are going to attend any interview, the peoples are expecting that beyond the standard system. You might have already heard from your colleague, from your friends, whoever is under job searching. Okay, so now, but we'll talk about more and more about the topics and all. So before going to jump into the topics, I just wanted to know few information about you people, where you are and what is your current status, so that based on that I will take a, I mean, I will also mold myself, then how I need to train to you people. Okay, so please, Srikanth, please go ahead if you don't mind.
Yes, yes, Bhaskar. Thank you. My name is Srikant Shinde, and uh, I am working for SAP more than 10 years. I have the SAP exposure in SAP DMS, SAP FLM, and SAP UI5. Actually, just now I am doing the architect. Uh,
Hmm?
so during these 10 years, actually, I many DMS integration between FI and other MMSD models I worked. So then I thought, okay, let's learn FI and go for FICO exposure in future. That is my plan. And actually,
Okay.
already I'm working for SAP Bangalore location.
Okay, so you are the technical consultant, I believe.
Yes,
Am I right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So now you have a good experience, I think, good exposure on the technical side. Okay, okay, Srikanth, I can understand. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Srikanth. Yeah,
Yes.
Venkatesh.
Hi, Bhaskar. Hi,
Yeah,
Shrikant. Good morning. Yeah, total. I have total 7 years of experience. Total, it belongs to end user experience. No, I want to move. No, consultant like FICO consultant. So I have taken some trainings. So again, I want to take some trainings from you. So I'm
okay,
looking for.
okay, okay. So what are all the areas did you work, Venkat, in
Yeah,
as an end user?
accounts payable, accounts receivables, GL accounts.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
Venkat. Okay, okay, that's fair enough. That's fair enough. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Now, yeah, thank you, Venkat. Thank you, Srikanth. So please go on mute. If anything, if you wanted to talk anything, please unmute and you can talk. No problem. Okay. I'm sharing my
Okay.
screen. The topics which we are going to discuss. Okay. So now the topics which I have already listed here, the topics what we are going to discuss in the sessions. Now, so first of all, the SAP S4 HANA, which is trained on in S4HANA 2022 system. Okay, this is the latest system what I am having. So it is the latest one only, latest S4HANA 2022. So it is a well-versed configured system. Okay, all the expected scenarios are replicated for multiple batches, not only for you, because even I have trained for multiple batches in the same server. Okay, so now it's a well-versed configured one. Even if there were any dumps, some technical things which were, which was already fixed by the technical team. So now it will go as smooth because the same server I am using for FICO and as well as FSCM also. Okay, just for your information. Now, coming to the topics what we are going to discuss, then overview of the S4 HANA, then history of S4 HANA, difference between HANA and S4 HANA, and what is the in-memory concept. This is just for our information only, nothing to do with them. But now architecture changes. From here onwards, at least we should know the architecture changes in S4 HANA. Then again, organization structure of FICO, then baseline configuration of the FICO. Then once the baseline configuration will be done, then I am going to start. The first topic would be a general ledger accounting, then bank accounting, then accounts payable. Then in the accounts payable, the topics which I have listed clearly here: vendor special GL transaction, automatic payment program configuration, foreign currency revaluation, DME configuration. Then how that takes place, how the F110 after once it will be run, how it is going to take place. Then I think Malli joined. Yeah, hi Malli. Hello, Malli, can you able to hear me? No, we can't hear you. Your just background noise is coming.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes, I can hear you now. Now I can hear
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, okay.
okay. Yeah, sorry, Srikanth and Venkat. So let's introduce Malli himself. Malli, if you don't mind, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Mallikarjun. I'm from no, basically from Andhra Pradesh. I'm working in yeah, TCS.
Okay. So
Yeah.
okay. So do you have any exposure on SAP?
Yeah, I have exposure in SAP. I'm working on SAP itself. No, now last 3 years I'm working on SAP.
Okay, a consultant or end user?
Yeah, as a consultant, I'm working for no last 3 years. Total, I have a total 7 years of experience. Okay, out of 3 years into end user as a SAP accountant. I worked in Accenture like that.
So now coming back to the topics, I just started after introduction Malli here. So I'm just going through the topics which we are going to discuss in the sessions. So now I am coming again from the beginning, just for your information. This is the overview of the S4 HANA. This is just for for our understanding only. Then from here, our main topics will be started here. Architecture changes in S4 HANA, organization structure of the FICO, baseline configuration, general ledger accounting, then bank accounting, accounts payable, then baseline configuration of special GL transaction, automatic payment program. You can see, especially I have mentioned the change points are here. APP configuration changes between ECC and S4HANA. Then what are the changes between ECC and S4HANA? We wanted to know, because now let's say the Malli, he already experienced, he might worked in ECC, but he is also working in S4HANA system. But sometime he should also remember the changes, what are the changes takes place between ECC and S4HANA, and how the changes changes are impacting and what are the advantages the organizations are going to gain by implementing or by adopting the new functionalities. Then, so now each and everywhere you can see here, I have mentioned the changes between ECC and S4HANA and also the DME configuration. So the DME configuration also, which I am going to cover end to end. Then
We actually lost Bhaskar.
Yes, Bhaskar, we lost your voice. Hello.
hello. Hello, can you able to hear me? Sorry, there was a power fluctuation.
Yes, yes. Now we can.
Okay, okay. There was a power fluctuation, so I have changed my connection, internet access. Okay, fine. Now, do you heard about automatic payment program? I mean, automatic payment program for accounts receivables, because the accounts receivable also the F110 we can use even for AR also. And what circumstances we need to use this one? How the configuration to be takes place? This we will see that one in detail. Okay. Now again, the dunning for accounts payable. Okay, so even for accounts receivable also, accounts payable, even the dunning concept also, somebody is going to join. Okay, okay. So Venugopal,
Hello.
yeah, hello. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, sorry, sir.
Hello.
I have been late in this class.
No problem, ma'am. I can understand, ma'am. Don't worry, ma'am. So, ma'am, if you don't mind, could you please introduce just a few two words about you, ma'am, where you standard, what is your experience? So that's it, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm an MBA graduate finance, and after MBA, I took my graduation with National Exchange. I was working with Share Khan. Then for 4 years, I was working as an operations executive there with trading, all those things. Then I took a big break of 15 years after marriage. It was a 15 years break. Then I started again. I got into my career. I thought, let me take SAP Finance as my thing, consulting, so that I can get a little bit of time with family also. I don't want to get into
Oh,
exchange as it's 24 hours working.
oh,
So,
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
yeah,
Thank you.
this
Thank you.
is
Fair
the
enough, ma'am.
introduction. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, fine, ma'am. So I'm just I just have started the topics which we are going to cover in the session, ma'am. What are the topics? Then
Hmm.
the topics I just have accounts payable and accounts payable and accounts receivable. Even dunning concept also, which we can use for accounts payable and accounts receivables. But most of the organizations they can use for accounts receivable purpose. Even there is the same concept can be used for accounts receivable, accounts payable also. But in what circumstances we need to use that concept, then we will discuss in the sessions. Then coming to the electronic bank statement. If you might have seen my channel, because I am the specialist into the electronic bank statement. Okay, you might have seen my videos, because this is the wherever I can go, this is the first priority. This I am going to take place. Okay. So now the electronic bank statement is my one of the favorite area. Even that is one of the I mean, I would say, join. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay. Okay. Hello, Pooja.
Hi Vijay.
Yeah, hi, Pooja. Sorry, I think if you don't mind, could you please brief about yourself?
Hi, myself Pooja. I'm from Bangalore. I have completed MBA and I'm looking for job. I'm interested to learn SAP FICO. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Fine. So now this is one of my favorite area, even because the reason being that even for irrespective of that, irrespective of the FICO, irrespective of the treasury and risk management also, this electronic bank statement, if you people, I'll make you comfortable this area. I mean all the areas, but this is my one of the favorite area. Okay, electronic bank statement, end to end electronic bank statement and log box. The way how I teach, you can check at anywhere, anyone. Okay. But the business scenarios, how I am going to cover, no one will cover, but you can see, because the way what I am saying here is that you can also see some of my videos in my YouTube channel, then you will come to know, okay, how the way was teach about electronic bank statement and logbox. And then the next topic, this is the one of the additional topic which I am going to cover. You can see in Google, you can just check in the Google itself my video only for logbox configuration and explanation. Only my video will be appear. You can check in the Google also in YouTube. Then coming to the GST, because GST in India, the GST will be applicable only in India. It's outside of India, there is no GST concept. Because in 2015, when the UPA government has come into picture, then only the in place of input and output tax, they have introduced GST in India. But now, if you are working for other than Indian client, then you must and should know the input and output taxes. So that is the reason I have mentioned here is the two things, GST and for input and output taxes. Then coming to the new asset accounting. So the new asset accounting means, so for I mean, earlier ECC 6 was using the classic asset accounting, but now there are few changes has been introduced by S4 HANA. Like there are few transaction codes were absoluted, few tables were absoluted, then few new configurations has been introduced. So all those things we must and should know into the new asset accounting. The concept wise, the business point of view, everything will be same. We have to create the asset. For that particular asset, you have to post the acquisition or you need to post transfers, then depreciation run. Everything is run from the business point of view. But what changes takes place from the consulting point of view, then that we must have to clear about them, about the changes. Coming to the new general ledger accounting, the last topic will be in finance. Then I am going to cover new general ledger accounting. Then, so now what is the document splitting concept and how it takes place, and what is the zero balance clearing account, the difference between active and passive splitting, because this is the interview point of view, very, very important one. Now, every organization is new GL functionality is a mandatory in S4 HANA. Okay, then we will see that one. Then coming to the controlling point of view, cost element accounting. As you know, there is no more cost element accounting in S4 HANA. But the people should understand that one. Okay, it has been replaced with the GL accounting. But now, while explaining this topic, what I will do, I will, because I have two systems access. This is my S4 HANA system. At the similar way, even I have ECC also. I will open both the systems. What was there in ECC? What is available in S4 HANA system? I will show you in front of you. Then what is the change point between both the systems? Then coming to the next one would be a cost center accounting. Like the people who ever experienced FICO side, I think whoever worked, they know this concept, cost center accounting. But in S4 HANA, they have introduced a concept called as a budget and analysis control for cost center accounting. This is the one change point between ECC and S4HANA. This concept did not there in ECC. That is the reason I have highlighted here in the different color. Then internal orders, because the similar concept is available in ECC also in internal orders, but the concept was not available for cost center accounting. Okay, budget and availability control. That one new change which I am going to accommodate in the system. Then internal orders, profit center accounting, then product costing, then MTS, make to stock, make to order scenarios. Then in controlling the last scenario would be COPA, controlling profitability analysis. Then coming to the next integration point of view. In the integration point of view, material management integration with the finance, sales and distribution integration with the finance. These we must and should aware of these two things. Then the process I will explain you, then in detail I will explain. I think if you need any clarification, you just watch my channel about any topic. Then IDOCs. Okay, IDOCs also very important for us, because IDOCs, but small scale industries, they might not follow the IDOCs functionality. But if you will be there in some bigger client, the volume will be more, the IDOCs, you may see that IDOCs functionality. Okay, but we will discuss about this one. Then apart from this, the migration project activities, then data migration tools. So apart from this, in addition to that, what I am going to cover, project classes. See, now I will show you, because there is a project classes which is already going on, running batches. See, now the project sessions which I started for separately, because the peoples are attending. So now in these projects, you can see here, these are the topics. Now you can see here the topics, the projects, how the projects takes place, what are the document, what will be our role, everything, the similar process, and what is the blueprint phase, what exactly we need to do, what documents we need to prepare, what does it mean by RDD. So everything I am going to cover in the separate. Okay, separate in the sense it will be part of our classes only, but project classes will be conducted as a additional. I mean, it may take another maybe 10-15 days. Additional sessions will be there, project sessions, project classes. Along with the project classes, some of the real-time incidents for your interview point of view. Anyhow, the validations and substitutions. Well, I mean the real-time topics. I mean, there is a list which I am having around 54 topics for your interview point of view. Then I will cover all those topics. Then the major important thing here is the major important thing for interview preparation. For interview preparation, what I will do. So for interview preparation point of view, let us assume today we have completed one topic. Let's say the general ledger accounting. In the general ledger accounting, we have completed, let's say the sample document process. What I will do in tomorrow's session, okay, I will give 5 to 10 minutes time to anyone. I will nominate one person. Then that person need to come to the beginning of the session itself. They have to explain what is the business process takes place and how the process should flow. Okay, so now that kind of preparation from the beginning stage onwards. Okay, even let's say today we have completed just a basic organization structure of the FI. So now let people can explain what is the organization structure of FI. Okay, see, that will be useful for your interview point of view. Okay, for interview preparation. Okay, this is the practice will be followed and daily basis only. Then weekly analysis. Okay, weekly analysis will be there, because see, most are the times, most are the times, to be frank, I'm telling this, the weekly analysis has been failed. I'm agreeing. Why it has been failed? It's not my mistake. The people, so whoever is going to attend the session, they're not turning, they're not joining into the sessions weekend. Okay, what I can do? There, it is not in my hand. If the people have interest, let them join in the session. Let them do the analysis. Okay, what the person has learned in that particular week. At least if we miss the weekly analysis, twice in a week we can connect and we can do the analysis. I mean, what topics you have, I have trained, and how much practice you have done, and any open queries on that particular process. Anyhow, in the class is a separate, because in the class we may spend maximum 5 to 10 minutes. But now the weekend, it's completely, the time will be allocated for your open queries, right? It will be useful for you people only. Then, so now the resume preparation, CV preparation, I will put it as a CV preparation. Okay, CV preparation, I am going to support you for the CV preparation also. Then for interview questions and answers. Interview point of view, questions and answers I will give you. The next thing would be you can attend the sessions until to get the job. There is no restriction. Okay, there is no additional fee would be required. Okay, it is up to your patience, up to your choice. Okay, there no one will ask you, okay, why you joined, because let's say the many peoples are discontinuing in between, so now they will come and ask, sir, is there any running batch? Now I will intimate them, so this is the topic which is going on. If you want, you can continue. Okay.